Bienvenido a las Casa de las Ranas. Casa de las Ranas. This is a place that we've been staying at for the past few days. Family friends place. It's a really awesome property. They have lots of fruit trees here. They have oranges. They have a bunch of different kinds of lemons and limes. This is the hand of Buddha right here. Shake the hand of Buddha. Hello. More oranges. And then they have these striped lemons over here, or limes. Pretty cool. And over here is a fruit, I don't know what it is. It's kind of like an orangey. I've seen it in the markets, but I don't know what it is. And over here they have a pretty crazy flower. You can see on the top it's like red, but then after a certain point it turns black. And there's these kind of chestnut looking things. Bunch of lemons. Lemons. There's a lemon tree right here. More lemons. Or limes, actually. Or oranges. What the hell is this? I can smell it. This is orange. Bunch of pomegranate trees everywhere. That up there, I don't know what it is. Kind of looks like tamarind, but I guess it's not that. And this is the chocolate persimmon, or the black zapote tree. Fruit isn't ripe yet, but some stuff is falling to the ground, like this. On the inside it's like brown, chocolate colored. Over here is like a bean type looking tree. You can see like a bunch of bean strands hanging off the tree. I don't know if it's coffee or if it's something else. I'm not really sure. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Over there, there's a mandarin tree. This big ass pool. I'll walk over there. Got some plants that grow off of the trees. Like the host is the tree, and then they have like a bunch of plants growing off of them. Bugambilias. I don't know what kind of tree this is. Kind of looks like a Bodhi leaf, huh? Hibiscus, maybe? These flowers are pretty beautiful. Pretty and beautiful. Here's a mandarin tree. Hello. It's mandarin season right now here. Boom. Boom. Shakalaka. More lemons. Man, they got so many lemons. Limes and lemons for days, for years. This is another pomegranate. Oh, it's muddy here. Oh. It's like a jungle. They have their own little jungle in here. Their own little food forest. Up there, I think, is a mango tree. It's not mango season yet, so there's no mangoes on the trees. So this is like a whole family that is a part of this property. They have like 6 houses for all of the children and stuff. One of the sons started his own little botanical garden, orchids and such. Look at this orchid. Crazy. Boom. And then all these air plants that just, hang in the air. They don't need dirt or off of trees and whatnot. Very cool, very cool. Very cool, very cool. Well, what do you know? Another lemon tree. Should start making some lemonade. Bougainvillea. Damn, it's so bright. It's like fluorescent. I think this is a mango tree. There's no mangoes right now. And then this tree, it's got a bunch of like lumpy, big, like kind of like gourds hanging all over the place. That one's massive right there. Can't really see it in this angle, but it's huge. I think he said it's called pan de árbol or something like that, like breadfruit or bread tree. I'm not really sure. It looks pretty crazy. And this plant right here, boom. Crazy forest in here. Jungle forest. Yeah. You're just surrounded by wildlife. The birds are always going. There's fruit everywhere. It's beautiful flowers. The dogs running around. Yeah, this is the place we've been staying. Just relaxing, maxing out. Just cooking, swimming in the pool. Enjoying the nice weather. Yeah, getting to taste a bunch of different fruit that I've never seen before. See some flowers and plants that I've never seen before. So that's pretty awesome. Look at this flower. Boom. Pretty cool. Well, I think that's the end of the tour. And until next time, hopefully we find many other places. Oh wait, one last thing. Look at these flowers over here. I didn't show you these flowers. They're just growing off of this tree. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, all these air plants. Just boom. This plant, air plant, just hanging off the tree. Doesn't need anything but air to survive. Just hanging in there. All these plants growing off the trees. But yeah, this one, this tree has a face. Hello, tree. But yeah, it's like just, it's got itself rooted on the tree, and here are the flowers. Okay, till next time. Bye.